Hi, it's Laura, and we are playing the game of how many kitchen appliances at my son's house can I absolutely fall in love with and need to order for my own home. I called my husband and said, I'm ordering another love. Look at this air fryer. We have one at home, and I will tell you the pros and cons of why I like this one more. So first of all, this one has a very large basket. You can see a very large basket. Mine doesn't have a large basket. We're still a family of 4 at home. We still have littles. And this one's bigger. The inside comes out, super easy to stick it in the dishwasher and clean it. It's a non-stick, slips back in, super easy. But look at the size in here. My daughter-in-law did chicken breasts in there. They said they've done whole chickens in here. Guess what I did in here today? Didn't even know air fryers can do this. I cook toast in here. Toast, that's right. Did you know air fryers can do toast? I put it in on air fry mode at 350 degrees for only 3 minutes. Perfectly my kind of toast. Scrumptious. You put this in and the lights come on. So the lights go off when it's in the off mode, so it's not intrusive and it's just a sleek black look. So you've got your air fryer, your roast, your time. So if you push air fryer, it goes to the temperature. If you want to do a dimmer temperature, all you do is turn the the knob, and it goes to the different temperature. If you want to do a different time, you just turn the knob again. Super simplicity. My son didn't even need to explain this to his mom that is not very electronically inclined. I figured it out on my own, that's right. Here's another feature that I like that isn't like mine. This does not get hot. Do you know someone set a loaf of bread on here on mine at home and it just melted all over the top? It was awful. This, you can set things on there. It didn't bother it at all. It heats up fast. That's another thing that I love because mine does not. It takes like 15 minutes to heat up. This was ready in just a couple minutes and ready to cook. And this is sold. I love this thing. This is getting bought today.